today is the amazing day, everyone. I and my grandma finding potato near my house, everyone. So if you guys want to see clear about how to find it, yeah, enjoy to watch my video. Ooh. It color it's so good and it color it's so cute, everyone. Ooh.
Đầu mơ.
Ooh, so big.
Còn một kiện.
Wow, so big. Oh, wow. Ooh, this one is so big too. I and my grandma got a lot of potato, everyone, so I think it's enough for our food today. So let me go home to show you guys how to cook it for it. Hello everyone, so now I and my grandma start to make dessert with our potato. Yeah, we have sugar and also coconut. So now start to make with me and my grandma. add our coconut water. It's a kind of coconut water, everyone. Add our sugar palm. Then add our milk to be more yummy. Then add our potato. We continue to cook it until our potato already cooked. Maybe 30 minutes. After that we can eat. It's already cooked, everyone, so we take it out the fire. Then we add our coconut on it. Wow, it looks like so yummy. Yummy, yummy. Yum, yum. Everyone, so now I think it is the time to say goodbye, but everybody don't forget help me to subscribe my channel YouTube to see more video about amazing food like this, especially to see the countryside lifestyle. So now let me say goodbye everyone, goodbye, and thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.